Now this great month, the month of Ramadan, it is the most blessed and beloved month to Allah than any other month. But even these 30 days of Ramadan are not all equal. Some of the days are more beloved to Allah than other days. And from the days which are more beloved to Allah are the last 10 nights of Ramadan. So the last 10 nights of Ramadan are more beloved to Allah than the other nights of Ramadan. And our Prophet ﷺ, throughout the year, he was pious, righteous and generous. And then when Ramadan would come, he would increase in his generosity and his piety. And then when the last 10 nights of Ramadan would enter, he would increase even further in his generosity and his piety and righteousness. And Ummul Mu'minin Aisha radiallahu anha, she said, كان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا دخل العشر الأواخر من رمضان. Now the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whenever the last 10 days of Ramadan entered, shadda mi'zarahu, he would tighten his belt. Meaning, he would work even harder. He would make even more ibadah. وَأَحْيَا لَيْلَةً, and he would awaken at night. Meaning he would sleep even less than he was already sleeping. وَأَيْقَظَ أَهْلَهُ, and he would also wake up his family, because he wanted his family to also share in this goodness.